National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Delaware Cobb County in northeastern Indiana, southwestern Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, western Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Butler, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montpelier, Butler, Edgerton, Hamilton, Pioneer, Eden, Holiday City, Columbia, Camden, York, Blakesley, Alvarado, Bridgewater Center, Nettle Lake, Hamilton Lake, Lake Seneca, Moore, Arctic, Metz, and Berlin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 153 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Williams, Ohio. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 51 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland on a frequency of 162.50. Cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s.